A Milwaukee police officer on the Brady list for years is now charged with a number of federal crimes. Court records show Juwon Madlock allegedly provided ammunition to a gang member, as well as police intelligence on where that gang member could find his rivals. TMJ4's Lighthouse team found Madlock was put on Milwaukee County's Brady list 4 years ago. It's a list of 191 current and former officers with alleged credibility concerns because of accusations of past crimes, dishonesty, bias, or other integrity issues. As part of our special investigation, Duty to Disclose, our Lighthouse reporter Ben Jordan breaks down this officer's Brady violation and asks the mayor whether Madlock should have remained on the force.
A former Milwaukee police officer is now a defendant in federal court. According to a federal criminal complaint, prosecutors say Juwon Madlock utilized open source databases and law enforcement databases to find addresses to help a known gang member track down rival gang members via text messages. Court documents show Madlock also allegedly admitted to investigators that he provided the gang member with ammunition and offered to sell them these guns. During a search warrant at Madlock's home, law enforcement recovered a handgun affixed with a machine gun conversion device, a federal offense. Madlock is also accused of providing a picture of an officer who arrested one of the gang members' accomplices. Madlock was arrested on Wednesday and subsequently resigned from MPD.
They take an oath.
During an interview today, Mayor Cavalier Johnson made his first comments on the issue.
I'm glad that this officer who went astray from his oath to serve and protect the people of Milwaukee. He was giving information, right, to a gang essentially in Milwaukee. That's not appropriate. It's absolutely not appropriate, and I'm glad that officer is no longer on the job.
4 years prior, internal police documents show Madlock was suspended and put on the Brady list for an integrity violation after the department determined he and another officer failed to investigate a shooting report from a victim at District 7. The Internal Affairs report says Madlock made untruthful statements to a supervisor regarding why the victim left the district station and returned to the scene. Later that year, police records show he was suspended for allegedly failing to investigate after a victim reported domestic violence. If a Brady list officer is called to testify, that information has to be disclosed to defense attorneys.
Should he have been able to keep his job after being put on the Brady list?
Look, this is an issue that I'm just being made aware of in terms of the Brady list. I just answer your question. I didn't even know about the existence of the lists before the recent reporting on this. So this is something I have to do some research on myself. But again, I want to caution and just make sure that we should work to make sure that we review these on a case-by-case basis.
The FBI and the U.S. Attorney's Office both declined my interview request, saying they cannot comment on a pending criminal case. In a statement, the Milwaukee police chief said he was extremely disappointed to learn about the misconduct in this case. Reporting in Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
Duty to Disclose is a special investigation in partnership with the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel and Wisconsin Watch. If you'd like to see our previous reporting and our full database of the Milwaukee County Brady list, visit tmj4.com/lighthouse or scan that QR code on your screen. That's also where you can find all of our investigations and Lighthouse exclusives.